Pydantic AI agents bind an LLM to callable tools through the agent constructor, and toolsets provide a mechanism for registering collections of tools in one operation. The artifact below demonstrates how an ACI toolset wraps ACI, dev weather tools, and passes them into an agent alongside a model specification. The code constructs an ACI toolset listing 2 weather tools by name, pulling the linked account owner identifier from an environment variable, then instantiates an agent with the OpenAI GPT-5.2 model and the toolset as its only capability.
Import os. From Pydantic AI import agent. From Pydantic AI, ext, ACI import ACI toolset. Toolset equals ACI toolset. Open weather map current weather. Open weather map forecast. Linked account owner ID equals OS. Getenv linked account owner ID. Agent equals agent opener. GPT-5.2. Toolsets equals toolset.
This registers 2 open weather map tools from the ACI dev library using ACI toolset, pulling the linked account owner ID from an environment variable. The toolset is passed to the agent constructor alongside the model string. This pattern lets the LLM call external tools without defining them locally, delegating validation and execution to the ACI service. Using ACI toolset keeps tool definitions external to your codebase, which reduces maintenance overhead, but means schema validation happens at the ACI layer rather than Pydantic. The linked account owner ID ties the tools to a specific ACI account, and pulling it from os.getenv avoids hard-coding credentials. For production, you'd want to validate that the env var is set, since a missing value would silently pass none to the toolset. Let's break it down line by line.
Import os.
Imports the os module for interacting with the operating system, providing access to environment variables and file system operations.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports the agent class from Pydantic AI, the central class for constructing AI agents in that framework.
From Pydantic AI, ext, ACI import ACI toolset.
Imports ACI toolset, a Pydantic AI extension for ACI toolsets that wraps an abstract toolset for use as an agent capability.
Toolset equals ACI toolset.
Assigns the result of calling ACI toolset to the variable toolset. No arguments are provided in this segment.
Open weather map current weather.
A string constant key, likely identifying an open weather map current weather API endpoint for later lookup in a configuration dictionary.
Open weather map forecast.
A string constant representing the identifier for an open weather map forecast API key, used as a lookup key in a configuration dictionary.
Linked account owner ID equals OS. Getenv linked account owner ID.
Passes the value of the environment variable linked account owner ID as a named argument to the enclosing function or constructor.
Agent equals agent opener. GPT-5.2. Toolsets equals toolset.
Instantiates an agent configured with the OpenAI GPT-5.2 model and registers the provided toolset for the agent to use. The pattern here is binding an LLM to external tools without defining them locally, using ACI toolset to bundle tool identifiers and hand off validation and execution to ACI. The two, whether tool names passed into ACI toolset, combined with the linked account owner ID pulled from an environment variable, register those tools against a specific ACI account. That toolset then gets passed to the agent constructor alongside the model string, giving the LLM access to call those tools during inference. The trade-off is keeping tool definitions out of your codebase, which cuts maintenance overhead, but shift schema validation to the ACI layer rather than Pydantic. Pulling the account ID from os.getenv avoids hard-coding credentials, though in production you'd want to validate that the env var exists since a missing value silently passes none. The pieces connect. Imports bring in the pieces, ACIToolset bundles the tools with account context, and agent ties that capability to a model.
ACIToolset maps whether it never walks through, while getenv guards an owner, no unnamed.